Fallon, and as from the intro you already know, we are going to unveil all the movie making secrets today on the Universal Studio Tour, including experiencing few of the iconic scenes ourselves. So if you like the video, do not miss to subscribe and like the video, and let's go and watch the tour.
For writers, directors, and production companies. We're going to drive by parking spots labeled for $7 Productions. This is The Rock's production company. Elizabeth Banks has an office screen. Jordan Peele has an office over here for his company Monkey Paw Productions. They're currently producing a movie called Nope, starring Lupita Nyong'o. And a mobile drive by Buffalo 5195, currently home to the De Laurentiis Company. Interior scenes inside the sound stages. Then when they needed to dance around the city streets of Baltimore, it was New York and Captain America, the First Avenger, New York and the Amazing Spider-Man, New York and Brooklyn Nine-Nine. They like to turn it into New York, but this one created using CGI. Props and picture cars using Jurassic Park and the Lost World Jurassic Park. Now see, that's funny because I hear my dinosaurs, but they're not located inside of their cages. That is just odd. Well, maybe if I play their theme music, it'll help. They do love a good intro. Look at them go. So one of the picture cars that we drove by was the mobile lab that was used in the Lost World Jurassic Park. Believe it or not, it was completely made out of wood. I'm going to show you one of the scenes that it's most known for, and I'll explain to you how it was. Now the cherry on top was that they made it rain. Just about every time the dinosaurs attacked in these movies, it rained. Why? Because weather affects us emotionally. It's a vibe. So we're bringing you here into old Mexico. off with a little bit of lightning, a little bit of thunder. We let that go on for a bit, and then at the perfect moments, we make it rain. This is how you make it rain in the movies, folks. We use a highly sophisticated and intricate system. We call it a sprinkler, because, yeah, it's just a sprinkler. Shoot the water up, allow it to fall down to the ground naturally. You might notice the rain is only falling in specific places. You only need to fall where the actor would be standing, where the camera would be facing. The rest of it, we don't care. If you take a picture of real rain, you're barely going to see it. Think of the football or the baseball games happen in the rain, right? There's a road. Can we cut that off? Yes, ma'am. Yeah. Remember when I said there are water effects on this tour? So that was our flood. Thousands of gallons of water held in tanks to the top of the hill. Oh, we...
You can't outrun a wolf, kid!
Yeah, we'll see about that.
I got a funny
And with the splash across the border from old Mexico, straight into the wild, wild west. Welcome to 6 Points, Texas, y'all. This is where some of the biggest and the baddest movie and television cowboys have filmed, like Brad Pitt and Leonardo DiCaprio, and Once Upon a Time in Hollywood. John Wayne filmed here, Clint Eastwood, Jimmy Stewart, and the baddest of them all, Jimmy Fallon.
Town ain't big enough for the both of us, Jimmy Fallon.
Well, I ain't going anywhere, Jimmy Fallon.
Now look here. Nice folks in this tram don't want no trouble. They just want to check out 6 Points, one of the oldest sets on the Universal line.
On stage 24, we usually film The Voice, but right now Snoop Dogg and Kelly Clarkson have taken over the stage to host NBC's American Song Contest. This is an all-live music competition series. Make our way around the bend, and you get a glimpse of Little Europe over there on your left. Little Europe is where we invented the monster movie. Movies like Frankenstein, Dracula, The Hunchback of Notre Dame, they filmed in Little Europe and went on to create the horror genre as we know it today.
Now, the monster. He's in the woods. Get out the bloodhounds. Raise all the men you can, lock the women indoors, and wait for me. Are you ready?
Of this soundstage. It's of course turned off because we're inside of here, but it's something that I must make you aware of. It's actually one of the reasons why this soundstage is so unique. The other reason is, unlike most sound stages that are built empty, like I explained earlier, this one was created to look like a subway station at all times. Now, it could be a subway station in any city. All you have to do is change out the maps. It did here most recently. It was apparently San Francisco, and you can tell by the sign. Is everybody okay? Y'all alright? Everyone's good? Okay, full disclosure, we did have a shark issue, but as you can see, I caught him, I strung him up, and I left him up there as a reminder to all his little shark friends not to mess with us. That's right, you were biting people, you gotta take this over there. Oh no. Wait, is that George? Hey, George! Swim away, there's another shark. Ooh, I think you found him. Yep. Everyone, stay seated. We're gonna keep it moving here. Perfect. Was built next to it. We created that for the show about a boy. Now if you film in the Chicken Ranch, it looks like they have neighbors. But their actual neighbors are located back on your left-hand side. And for a while, they were very desperate housewives. That's right, this set on your left, Colonial Street, was Wisteria Lane and ABC's Desperate Housewives. But many productions have filmed on Colonial Street throughout the years. 1313 Mockingbird Lane, the home of the Munsters, is located on that street. The Netflix show, Never Have I Ever, which was created by Mindy Kaling, films there. The yellow Mini Coupe was used in Mr. Bean's Holiday. Got a bunch of cars here from F9, the ninth installment of the Fast and Furious saga. Dom's Charger is over here, as well as one of the police cars from Public Enemy starring Johnny Depp. But this is a part of movie history right here, folks. And a lot of times people ask, is this the same motel that was used in the television show, The Bates Motel? That was filmed in Canada. Oh boy. Is he looking at? I think he's looking right at us. Hey Norman, how you doing, buddy? Listen, we're just just straight to the knife, huh? Like, we're not gonna have a conversation about you. Just gonna go straight to the Norman. You're better than this, man. We just we're getting kind of close. Chris, you wanna get us on here? We've just entered one of the most impressive sets in Hollywood history. This is a crash site from Steven Spielberg's War of the Worlds.
The airplane crash site set is a perfect example of a set that is all designed around a vision that Steven had.
When we first began to sit down to talk about War of the World, I thought, what if the 747 goes down right in a big neighborhood? Because it's just something you don't see.
You're doing good. You're doing good. Keep your eyes on me. Listen now, man. Listen, I want you to close your eyes, okay? Okay. Got them closed?
This is a real 747 Boeing airplane that was bought and destroyed just for this set. It cost them $60,000 to buy it, over $200,000 to get it here. Once they did, it took them 3 months to build this set. They filmed on it for a week, and it's in 4 minutes of the movie. Green fence, because they're doing some construction work over here as well. But the main thing you want to pay attention to is that big blue wall. That is one of the largest freestanding backdrops in the entire world. Now in front of it, there's a huge reservoir. So to make this scene happen, they filled the reservoir up with water, they put an airplane inside, and then they filmed. Then during post-production, it means after all the filming is over, they digitally added a photo, and now some guy named Shaw is after us, and the FBI wants us for questioning. It's cool though, it's fine, because I have a friend named Hobbs. He said that he and his crew, they'd help us out, okay? So we're just gonna meet them here inside of Sullivan's truck repair. They'll take care of it, then we can get you right back to the theme park, all right? It shouldn't take too long.
Where else? Roman Pierce, FBI, don't move.
Neil?
That's right, party's over.
You know how long I took to iron this shirt, man? I'm not.
You're under arrest right now.
Ladies, let's back up a little bit. Got it. It's like that.
First of all, I don't work for you. Oh, really? Well, tell me, Roman, who do you work for?
We don't work for nobody. Cops get out of here, otherwise we can't guarantee your safety.
Guarantee my safety? I'm the one holding the gun.
Yeah, but mine's a whole lot bigger than yours. Hobbs, escort this novice out.
Let's go, Cookie Puss.
You got an ugly suit on, man. It's cheap.
Somebody out there really pissed off Shaw. It's gonna get ugly fast.
Yeah, don't worry. Lucky for you, our whole family will protect you.
Are you kidding me, Roman? You didn't shut off your phone, bro?
I gotta call you back.
Everybody hold on! Hit the nitrous!
Thank you so much for watching, everyone. I will come up with Universal Studios Hollywood video very soon, but before that, next week from 4th to 10th May, I am coming up with my anniversary series, so do not forget to watch that 7 days 7 videos. It will be a blast. So see you on 4th. Bye bye.